Hello everybody, how are you? So please tell me how are you? I hope you all are awesome. So today again I came in front of you with a new video. So today we will discuss about new topics. So please watch the video till the end because today we will discuss about many things and I will ask more and more question from Khushi. Okay, so please, and if you are new subscriber and if you are new person, so please like the video and watch this video till the end. Thanks for watching my video. So let's get started without wasting time. So right now I'm calling to Khushi. So welcome Khushi. So first of all, you please, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And
You are
how
fine?
Sir?
Very good. Thank you. Thanks for asking. You. I'm good. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. So Khushi, first of all, I would like to thanks for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, then try to speak loudly. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
So let's get started without wasting time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So are you hesitate?
Just a little bit.
No, don't be hesitate. Just it's a piece of cake. It's a
Piece of cake.
piece of cake because you can do it everything and
Anything.
because you are the best student of my institute.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Thank you. Again, what's your name of your meaning?
Yes, sir. My name is Khushi Kumari and my name is meaning happiness and joyful.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand and basically I live in Devgarh district.
Okay, very good. How old are you? Can you explain about you? No.
Yes, sir. I am 14 years old.
You are 14 years old. Oh my God. And in which class do you study?
I study in class 9.
Oh, you study in class 9. Very good. And you tell me how many brothers and sisters have you?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
What do you like it at your free time?
I just study at my free time.
Okay. You like to study at your free time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, you tell me what date is it today?
It is 5th August today.
And what day is it today?
It's Tuesday today.
It is Tuesday today? Or who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. Lalmohan Azad, sir.
Or can you explain about your teacher or not? Do you have any ideas about your teacher or not?
Yes, sir. I have idea about my teacher.
I have an idea.
I have an ideas about my teacher.
Okay, very good. So can you explain? You
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
I can explain.
Now, please.
Thanks for asking to me, sir. Thanks for giving me this opportunity, sir. And first of all, my teacher name is Mr. Lalmohan Azad, sir. He teach me English language very confidently and very clearly.
Very good.
He is from Bihar. Basically, in this time, he live in Devgarh district. Mr. Lalmohan Azad is an effective, highly inspiring English trainer and entrepreneurs, drug expert based in India. He taught thousands of students in India. They all were from other state and learned very carefully. They all are very happy. He has 5-year experience in this field. That's it, sir.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. So, Khushi, it's okay, no problem. So, Khushi, okay, how many months you are studying in this institute, from this institute?
Like 11th month, I think complete, and 12th month.
It's going on. Okay. Oh, almost you have completed 10th month and 11th month it is going on, I
Yes.
think. Okay, very good, no problem. Very good. So, why do you choose this institute and do you have any ideas? Yeah, do you have any, can you explain about these words or not?
Yes, sir. I can explain.
Please.
Thanks for asking to me. I joined this institute for I want to learn English language, and I was very excited how to speak English language and how to write anything in English language. I don't know how to speak English language, so that's why I joined this classes. And there is a good teacher for Mr. Lalmohan Azad who teach me English language and very confidently and very clearly. So that's why I joined these classes.
Okay, very good, nice. It was about your teacher. Okay, you tell me, do you have any ideas about your institute?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain about your institute or not?
Yes, sir. I can explain
Please
about
tell
my
me.
institute. First of all, my institute name is Panchmukhi Institute, Devgarh. It is located in nearby income tax office and Bright Career School. There are many students learn English language in this institute, and there are many facility available. There are many branches and many picture of freedom fighters who learn to English language. So please join these classes, and there are many facility available online, offline. Who wants to learn English, so please meet Mr. Lal Mohan Azad sir. He give you suggestion for how to speak and how to learn English, because in this time English language is very important in our life. That's it.
That's it. I think Khushi, she is going to hesitate right now in this time. So it's okay, because right now camera is going on now. So that's why video is shooting, and camera is working in this time, because we are sitting. It's okay, no problem, Khushi. Your hesitation will be removed. I know that, because when you try again and again, definitely 100% one day, all your hesitation will be removed. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
So just try to speak, try to practice every day, try to do something every day, and when you try to speak, then definitely 100% then you can speak in English language with confidently in front of them. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Because I know that, because you are going to, in this time you are learning period, and you are learning period, so that's why you are going to hesitate. Clear?
Clear, sir.
It's okay, no problem, everyone. So first time it does happen, you know that already, it does happen or not?
Yes, sir. It does happen.
So it's okay, no problem, Khushi. So Khushi, you tell me, because right now I'm asking to you many questions, you are giving the my question answer, so that's the great. Khushi, do you have any ideas, like if you want to speak anything, I don't want to ask any question, can you give me some suggestion, say something to me, to you?
What I speak, sir?
Try to speak what you speak, what you want to speak, for all the students who wants to learn English language, and who wants to talk to each other in English language, who wants to study the book like this, etc., then you can say.
This institute name is Panchmukhi Institute Devgarh, you know already, and every facility available. If you want to learn English language, so please come here and join these classes. If you have any problem face you, then you can meet Mr. Lal Mohan Azad sir. He give you suggestion for which is best for you, and this time you should learn English language, because you know that English is most important in our life. If you learn in this time, so very well for you, and thank you.
Okay, it's okay, no problem, Khushi. Thank you. Everyone, you know that she wants to talk to you, and she said to you, he has one YouTube channel, and he has also one app, and app like a same name of the Panchmukhi Institute Devgarh. So you can install my app on, you can go on Play Store, and then you can search Panchmukhi Institute, and then in front of you will come my app name of the Panchmukhi Institute. Then you can install it, and then you can learn from your home, because I teach online and offline both facilities. So if you want to speak English language offline and online, so then both modes are available. So because you know that India is a very popular country, है ना? I think there are 1.5 billion people in India, है ना? Can you explain or not?
Yes, sir, I can explain.
Please.
India is the most beautiful country in world. India is 7th largest country in the world. It is very populated country in the world. 1.5 billion people live in this
In India.
In India, and there are many things. And as a developed country in this time,
Look there.
and if I talk about the education system of India, is very well. There are many schools, colleges, and university available. If you has Ravin nahi hoga हमसे.
She speaks very well, but in the times what's happened, I don't know. What's happened to you? You are hesitant. You don't know. It's okay, no problem. She speaks English very well in this time. So because right now I have already taught you, and why she is going to hesitate right now? Because it is going on camera is on, so that's why in front of the camera she is going to hesitate, so that's why you can say, right? Thanks for coming here. So no, I would like to you, thank you, ask some question. I would like to ask many sentences in Hindi. So no, next time. Today then you will have to speak only for, then you will have to translate. You will have to translate only for, you will have to translate. Are you ready or not?
I will try, sir.
Yes, just try, then you will have to try it, है ना? Only for I will ask Hindi sentences, then try to speak in English, clear na? Then you will have to translate, because you know that lack of sentence, you know already. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So don't worry about this, that it's a piece of cake for you. It's not hard to crack. Just it's a piece of cake, you know that already. I'm right or wrong?
Yes, sir. You are always right.
I'm always right. Thank you. So I will ask different sentences. Just then you will have to speak. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now 5:30 बजा है.
It's 5:30.
9:09 हुआ है.
It's 9 minutes past to 9 o'clock.
9 बजने में 9 मिनट बाकी है.
It's 9 minutes left in 9 o'clock.
ओके, कैमरा चालू है.
Camera is on.
लाइट आ गई.
Electricity has come.
मेरा दिल टूटा हुआ है.
My heart is broken.
मैं भूखा हूँ.
I'm hungry.
मेरा पेट भरा हुआ है.
I'm full.
अच्छा, मुझे सर में दर्द है.
I have headache.
I have headache. मुझे नींद आ रही है.
I feel sleepy.
You feel sleepy. सर बैठे हुए हैं.
Sir is sitting.
खड़े हुए हैं तो. So just sir is standing, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Sir is.
I forgot it. Sir is standing.
Sir is standing. It's okay, no problem. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लड़के हैं.
There are many boys.
There are.
Many boys.
Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ हैं.
There are many girls.
There are many girls. अच्छा, पर्दा लगा दीजिए.
Draw the curtain.
पर्दा हटाइए.
Draw the curtain back.
अच्छा, मैं ट्रक में हूँ. मैं ट्रक में हूँ. Then what you will speak?
Sir, it's a question. I'm on the truck. No.
On the truck या in the truck? I'm in the truck. I'm in the
Truck.
truck. अच्छा, मैं बस में हूँ.
I'm on the bus.
अच्छा, मैं ट्रेन में हूँ.
I'm on the train.
अच्छा, मैं बस स्टैंड पे हूँ.
I'm at the bus stand.
और मैं कार में हूँ.
I'm in the car.
You are in the car. Okay. चलिए, मोबाइल बज रहा है.
Mobile phone is ringing.
मैंने लिख लिया है.
I have written.
मैं 2 सालों से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying for 2
यानी कि 2 साल के, for 2 years. अच्छा, मैं 2 सालों से इंग्लिश पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I have been studying for English. कितने सालों से?
2 years.
For 2.
किसी को क्या पता नहीं क्यों इतना हेजिटेट हो रही है. इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी इतना बढ़िया बोलती है रे.
Sorry, sir, नहीं होता.
It's okay, no problem. Now you can go, Khushi. Thanks for coming here, Khushi. First of all, welcome. Then you can. Oh my God! See, everybody, see, guys. Hannah, Khushi was definitely she was sticking. I don't know why was she sticking. I don't have any ideas. But she speaks English language very well. Hannah, she is a very good student. And because she is learning English language, I know that, but she has learned, and she is able to how to speak English language in this time. She can speak English language very good. I know that. So one day again I will call her one day, and then she will speak English language in front of you, everybody. Thanks for watching my video.